हेलो चेक 1 2 3 माइक टेस्टिंग। अपन अभी बात चेक कर रहे हैं कि so I am out on a ride with a friend of mine. The day I moved into this room of mine, there was a Himalayan 450 parked, and I was damn curious about meeting the guy, the owner of the bike. So on that day, I didn't get a chance to meet him, but on the subsequent, at the time I was having Classic 350. So while returning from one of on a Sunday ride, I saw him washing his bikes. After that, we kept on going on Sunday ride. So now we have a group, a small group of 4 5 riders. This road is taking too much of my concentration. I'm not able to concentrate. I'm not able to ride and speak at the same time, and I'm not at all paying attention to my gearing. So the entire gear shift is happening. 6 months back, I got into an accident where my left ankle broke, and and I had to get it fixed, and I was off my bike for a pretty good time of 4 months, and it feels like a very big amount of time. So my learning from that particular accident is that most of the time when we brake, we just focus on what's going ahead, not what's coming, what's at behind, about the vehicles behind us. So post my accident, after getting back on my bike, what I've started doing is that I keep such an amount of safe distance between me and the traffic ahead that even if they do a hard braking with their tires scratching on the road, I don't have to do the same, and I can ease out so that people do not come and directly bang into me. See, when you are in a car, it is quite it is quite easier, not easier, it is quite like safe. If someone comes and bangs into you, the worst is gonna happen is, oh, okay, until and unless you are in an expressway, the worst that can happen to you is you will not get a claim and you will have to spend some money on your car to get it fixed. But you just have to pay the money. But when it comes to your own health, it is not only money, because money definitely flows like anything. You will have to pay a hell amount of money to get yourself fixed. But other than that is the pain. You'll have to go that there's no amount of money that can cure your pain, right? Even in worst case scenarios, painkillers do nothing. Because I still remember the day I got my leg operated. I was not able to sleep the entire night. I'm also trying to record at a higher frame per second. So today I'm trying 60 FPS. Currently the weather is quite good. It is around 18, 19 degrees centigrade. So when I was in college, I used to ride a Passion Pro, and before that I used to ride a Splendor. At the time, there was no concept of riding gears, and no, there was, but in my vicinity there wasn't, and I don't think so that in rider, anybody is wearing a riding gear. So if I go into the city without with a riding gear, I am gonna be an exception, which is not an issue. But I'm just saying, yeah. So, I used to ride the Splendor also at 100, 110. I have taken it to that speed. People are so confused. See, that guy doesn't know where he is to the one and pull it. I guess it was classic 350. I am completely hoping that this mic is on. I tried getting it on, but I'm not sure if that is in on state or not. Yeah, so at the time I used to we used to ride bike at 100 and more than 100 kilometer per hour. Even that happened for Passion Pro. But after investing in riding gear and getting wearing it, it changes your mindset. So now when I wear a riding gear, I can ride bike with at any speed. I feel a sense of confidence for sure. But when it comes to so now when I'm not wearing riding gear, I drive quite safely. And actually, people should do that because when you are singing that okay, you don't need a riding gear here because you won't get into an accident. That is where you get into an accident because when I got into an accident, I was just wearing a chappal. I was in lower. The only bare minimum that I was wearing was an helmet, and I was not even speeding. I was in the parking. I was banged by the Wagner. So he's actually getting some good shots of me from a side view. So this is Golf Course Road. No, this is not Golf Course Road. We have we have left the Golf Course Road and now we are going towards. So it is Faridabad Road. So if you go straight, there would be a signal, and then from there, if you take a right, you'll reach Faridabad. You will be on the road to Faridabad. You go straight, you'll be in Faridabad. Oh man, look at the look. I'm not sure if you are able to look at the moon, but oh damn, it looks so beautiful. It is actually beautiful. The oxide gives you a very good view, view of the road. It gives a very good view of the road. I just want to say that when I was till 10th or maybe before that, yeah, I was always, I won't say that, I won't say that that was a problem of the teachers, but yeah, I was always made to feel that I'm very bad at English. Or you can say that the curriculum was designed in such a way that I was always feeling like I'm not up to the mark and my English is not up to the mark. And so when I am speaking on let's say if I'm in a meeting, if I'm talking to someone in English, I am fine with it. Even when I speak to colleagues in UK or during my work, so I am quite comfortable. But when I'm speaking to on a camera, when I'm speaking like there is no agenda. I'm just speaking. I'm just speaking. I'm trying to create a content. I'm just speaking things and recording it at that time. I don't know why. I start analyzing too much about what I'm speaking, and from a grammatical point of view, so even you would also see me a little bit stammering. So now when I said a little bit stammering, so that is a wrong that is a wrong grammar. I know that, but yeah. But when I speak to when I'm speaking to someone else, at the time I know that I am speaking the right language. I'm not sure. So maybe the hesitation that I'm having inside me is actually doing that. So we are gonna take a U-turn from this, and there's a Chios outlet here. So this, I do not actually know the name of this market, but this market is I term it as the 24 hours open market. Many other people do the same. It is actually quite scary to ride on roads where livestock is present, especially with the dogs. Like the dogs at night, they think that it is their own land and they can do whatever they want, and that is what gets them killed also.
And please let me know what you think about the videos in the comments down below. Until next time, keep learning, keep moving, and most importantly,